have Carl Wiesmüller, who used to do this for real in Germany, right, Carl? You did this for real, and you have the best crack, but you got to watch out for the end. She wants to crack you on the behind. Auf geht's! Stay here. Carl, stay here. I want you to show how easy it is to crack the whip. There's hardly any motion in it. It's all in the wrist. So just do a couple. Just do a couple and show how easy it is. This is the small whip used to herd chickens and geese. And we're getting the big whip, which is 15 feet long, and used to chase away the winter, but we'll do that next year.